Visual Plan is more than just a one-time digital twin creator.
The other thing that comes to mind, when I first got to know Kelly, is it's not only a pre-engineering, pre-installation tool. It's a tool that then lives forever as an as-built tool for service and support, inventory reasons. And Kelly, maybe you can talk about that a little bit, because I hate for people to come away from this interview thinking it's a one and done tool and then you never look at it again.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. I mean, it really is a building life cycle tool that's used in design, pre-sales, right through project management and commissioning, where we can actually annotate all of our assets with very specific serial numbers, make, model of those assets, if we choose to, right into that management, like Steve was saying, and maintenance, and especially when we have gateways that are above drop ceilings. We did some projects where, I really don't like reviewing ceiling tiles, especially when I'm removing 30 tiles to find one piece of equipment. So to know precisely where assets are behind walls, above ceilings, below workstations, and be able to go directly there to resolve, recalibrate, replace something has tremendous long-term value for managing technology.
That is one of the things that I think is probably Steve that I heard you talk about, which is kind of a predictive maintenance kind of thing. Is that something that you guys spend some time and energy doing, Kelly?
Yeah, 100%. We're working with a intelligent building solutions company, which does predictive maintenance on HVAC equipment and all VVC machines, a bunch of these different types of things. They tie it into sensors and they get results. They get reports, risk scoring reports, which are great. But where the heck is the asset? How do I find it? How do I communicate who goes there? So I think there's a real opportunity with digital twins when we start to look at real-time analytics, real-time sensor data, so that we get some kind of notification and then we can resolve it in the field and communicate to the field how to resolve it, what tools, supplies we need to bring, and know precisely where to go. That's one of the bigger problems we see in oil and gas, power, and some of these other large-scale facilities, is that you spend so much time communicating where things are, what are the existing conditions, where's the floor plan of this item, where's the instruction manual, what are the make, model, and serial number. Trucks are rolling every time. So there's some significant savings in having that information in a digital form. I can just grab it. It's right here on my phone.
And Steve, being a company that controls who goes in and out of different facilities, it seems like security is an opportunity with Visual Plan, where you can combine this with a Constellation or other things to create a virtual environment.
Yeah, absolutely, Rob. And that's the intention, is to bring Virtual Plan into the entire Orion ecosystem, give access to infinity. I'm also thinking, and Kelly, maybe we can spitball this a little bit, is in terms of once we have all those site assets available, doing lifecycle maintenance, like telling somebody, hey, this is when you need to service something, and tying that to some real data as well. So I think there's some great opportunity in security and in lifecycle maintenance of product. My goal always is zero downtime on our product. So the more data we can create, the better the experience we can give to the end users and to the facilities.
For more information, please reach out to the email or phone number listed on the screen or visit orioneci.com.